Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your computer RAM. Here you can see that I'm using a computer of 8 gigs of RAM. I'm gonna check it right away. Here it is, 8 gigs of RAM with Windows 10. Next step, you need to know what kind of RAM are compatible to your computer. For that you need to download a program. It's called CPUZ. This program allows you to know the number of slots your computer has and show you the RAM's details. There is a link to this program in the video description down below. So go ahead and download it, then run it. Go ahead and install it. Next. That's because I already installed it. I'm going to install it one more time. Okay. Next. Okay. Finish. Once the application is installed, go ahead and run it. Go to SPD. Here you can see the type of RAM you need to look for. And use this button to see all the RAM slots your computer has. Now you need to know how many free slots you still have. When there is no detail here, that means that the slot is free. So look all the slots and find out how many free slots you still have. So we're gonna select the slot number 1. You see that it's empty slot. Slot number 2, that's used. Okay, slot number 3, that's empty. And slot number 4, that's in use. Now we know that we only have 2 empty slots, so we need to look for 2 RAM sticks. Of course, using the details, so we are going to buy the right one. So go ahead and close this window. Open your web browser and look for the RAM just by tapping the detail. I prefer Amazon, so I'm going to look it up on Amazon, and you see that we already have a bunch of results. So you can decide to go to eBay or everywhere you need it. Once you get the RAM sticks, go ahead and shut down your computer. Go to Windows, Power, Shut down. Then you take off the cable. let's go and check how much RAM we have. Here I just added 2 RAM stick, 4 gigs each, so it should be 16 gigs. And you can see that the computer went from 8 gigs to 16 gigs, which is not bad. It's really faster, smoother, and more efficient. It's the end of this video. If you have any question, just leave it in the comment. I will be right back to you. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe for more videos.